Thanks for joining me. I want to show you two of my favorite recipes that are simple, fresh, and full of flavor, and they're perfect for spring, summer entertaining. When I entertain, I want it to be special, but also simple. I don't want to be caught in the kitchen, so I plan ahead and do as much preparation as I possibly can before anyone arrives. One of my top tips when entertaining is to keep it fresh. Use whatever is in season, and not only is fresh produce at its peak, but also will need little embellishment or preparation, and that means you can keep it simple. I want to share with you my first fresh dish, which is a pea and mint dip served with sesame and parmesan crackers. Now, these crackers can be made well ahead of time, kept in an airtight jar where they'll keep nice and fresh, so they're ready at a moment's notice. And they pair beautifully with this beautiful, vibrant pea and mint dip that can be whipped up in just 10 minutes. So all you need to do to finish it off is crumble a little bit of feta over the top, drizzle with some oil, some cracked pepper, and then add your crackers, of course. Something that I'm well known for and my friends and family always ask when they're coming for dinner is my luscious lemon tart. It's a signature Anneka dish and I love making it. Light, tasty and bursting with seasonal freshness, these zucchini, gruyere and herb galettes are sure to impress. They're based on a crisp puff pastry and topped with a creamy mix of cheese, herbs and lemon, and then finished with thinly slices of zucchini. All they need is a simple dressed salad on the side, and they are the perfect spring, summer entertaining starter. Thanks for joining me, and remember, all the recipes can be found on our website. See you next time.